friends, coming to you today with a quick and easy little Easter decor. This could be used as a centerpiece for the springtime, or if you got a little spot in your house that you just want to put a little something. So I went to Dollar Tree and I spent $5. I picked up this little candy container. It's two-sided. It snaps front and back together, so it makes a whole little round rabbit, and it's embossed with the face and everything. I picked up a package of this thick jute twine. I already had this bag of moss, so I just didn't buy any, but you could use paper, green paper shreds or brown paper shreds, whatever you have to serve as the grass. One of these little rectangle organizer baskets, and then a package of the ping pong balls that I'm going to use 4 of them as the little round ball feet for my basket. The first thing I need to do is get rid of that blue rabbit. I've never seen a blue rabbit, and I wanted my rabbit to be white. So I just went to Walmart and picked up some of the cheapest white spray paint they had. I really wanted matte. They didn't have matte. And once I spray it and I see that it's too shiny, I can go over it with some matte spray that I have. That was my remedy for that. So when I come back to you, I'll have my rabbit put together and spray painted. All right, my rabbit's outside drying. I decided to go ahead and work on my basket. So I'm going to take that little piece of paper out of the bottom of it. Because I'm working with moss, like if you work with the paper shreds or something, it won't be so bad, but that moss can be kind of messy. I went ahead and just cut a piece of dark green paper and just going to lay it on the bottom of the basket. I'm going to take this jute twine and attach it with a little hot glue and just wrap the top of this basket all the way around, just to give it a little decorative edge. Okay, I've started my wrapping process. I want to tell you a couple things. I went ahead and cut my package of jute twine in half because it's 13 feet and I didn't want to have to pull 13 feet through every little loop every single time. So now I'm only working with about 6.5 feet, which is a lot more manageable. But I just started in the corner and I wrapped each corner. If you'll see, the corner sections are a little bigger. I wrapped it 4 times, and then in between each little space I wrap 2 times, just so you know. If you want some of your wire on the top to show, that's fine, but I wanted mine to be a solid twine ridge all the way around. So I'm just going to finish it and meet back at my corner. Okay, I got my basket wrapped. I love how that looks. It was so easy, and I have exactly 1 yard left over. So if you have just a partial package of that thick twine, it takes exactly 10 feet to wrap this rectangle basket. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to hot glue these ping pong balls right here on each corner. And baskets always look better when they're a little elevated. So those are going to be my little ball feet. Okay, look how cute this basket is turning out. All right, now I'm just going to take my green piece of paper and put it down in there to help hold my moss. And I'm going to go check on my rabbit outside. All right, I got my rabbit done here, and it didn't take long to dry, but of course I could not keep my fingers off of it, so I've got a couple imperfections here and here, but I like the look of it. I thought my clear spray paint was matte, but it was actually satin, so it's a little shinier than I wanted it to be, but it's okay. But next time, if I decide to do this again, I'm going to buy the spray chalk paint. That will give me the matte finish I'm looking for, and it will cover that plastic really well. Any of those chalk paints cover really well. So now I'm going to just tie a little bow around its neck, add some of that moss to my basket, and then these little eggs here, these were just some little styrofoam eggs. They sell these at Dollar Tree, and you may have something in your stash. And if you don't have eggs, you could just use some little flowers you have, and I may even stick a flower or 2 in there. So I'm just going to finish decorating my little basket, and then I'm going to put it where I want it to be, and I'll show you my finished project. So here's a little corner of my bathroom. I decided to put my little rabbit basket. It's sitting on a little cabinet I have, and just love how it turned out with the little bow around its neck with the eggs and a few little Dollar Tree flowers. I could put this in anywhere in the house. And if you don't find this little plastic rabbit, you could use any kind of ceramic rabbit you had and get the same effect, or even use candy instead of eggs. There's a lot of variations you could do with this, especially with this little versatile basket. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to put a little Easter spring around your house. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.